Today, let's learn how to remember the derivatives of the trigonometric functions. Now, I have a simple trick over here. This is the way how I remember the derivatives of the trigonometric functions. Hope this helps you too. So let's see. First of all, write the trigonometric functions in such an order like sin x, cos x, tan x, cot x, sec x, and cosec x. So first point that you all have to remember is the derivatives of all trigonometric functions starting from c are negative, like cosec minus sin x, cot x is minus cosec square x, and cosec x is minus cosec x into cot x. So let's see how to remember these derivatives. So first, remember the derivative of sin x is cos x. So sin x goes to the right side, that is cos x. So derivative of sin x is cos x. Next, sin x, cos x. The derivative of cos x. What cos x does is it goes back to sin x. But it starts with c, so I give it a minus sign. So the derivative of cos x becomes sin x with a negative sign. That is cos x becomes minus sin x. Next, moving on to the next function, that is the tan x. So what this tan does is, it does not like this cot x. So it moves ahead to sec x. So tan x does not move to the cot x, but it goes one step ahead to the sec x. And because it has skipped the cot x, we take sec square. I mean, it's not mathematically, but this is the way I remember it. So tan x becomes sec square x. So this sec, this square, and this x. So next. So the next function is cot x. Now cot x tries to go to the next function, that is sec x, but it is already occupied by tan x. So what cot x does is, it comes from here, skips sec x, goes to cosec x. Now again, because it has skipped 1, we add a square, and the next function is cosec x. So the derivative of cot x is cosec square x. Skipped 1, so square. Next function is cosec. Cosec square x. And because it is starting with c, we add a negative sign. So the next function now is sec x. Now sec x cannot move over here because it has already been occupied by cot x. So what sec x does is, it goes back to the tan, but including itself. So the derivative of sec x becomes sec x, that is himself, and going back to the tan, that is the tan x. So derivative of sec x is sec x into tan x. Simple. Now the last one, that is cosec x. Similarly, like sec x, the cosec x has nowhere to go. There is no function over here. So what it does is, it tries to copy the sec x. It includes himself first, that is minus cosec x, and then goes back to the cot, it is cot x. And as it is a trigonometric function starting with c, we add a negative